How do I file my taxes without all my W2s?
Hello, and welcome to our guide on a crucial tax-related issue: how to file your taxes when you're missing some W-2 forms. Tax season can be challenging enough without the added stress of missing crucial documents. But don't worry, we're here to walk you through the process step by step.
What is a W-2 and why is it important?
A W-2 is a form issued by your employer that reports your annual earnings and the amount of taxes withheld from your paychecks. Filing your taxes without all your W-2s can be a tricky situation, as the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, needs this information to verify your income and calculate your tax liability.
What should I do if I'm missing a W-2?
If you're missing a W-2, the first step is to contact your employer or former employer. In many cases, they can provide a new copy or give you access to an online version. If you cannot reach your employer or they're not responsive, proceed to the next section.
Contacting the IRS.
If you're unable to obtain your W-2 from your employer, your next step is to contact the IRS directly. You'll need to provide certain details such as your name, address, social security number, and information about your employer. The IRS will then reach out to the employer and request the missing W-2 on your behalf.
Filing your taxes with Form 4852.
If it's close to the tax deadline and you still haven't received your missing W-2, you can use Form 4852, substitute for Form W-2. To fill out this form, you'll need to estimate your wages and withheld taxes for the year. Make sure to explain why you're using Form 4852 and how you arrived at your estimates. Remember, using Form 4852 may delay the processing of your return, as the IRS will need to verify the information. In closing, while missing a W-2 can make the tax filing process more challenging, it's not insurmountable. By reaching out to your employer, contacting the IRS, and using Form 4852 if necessary, you can still successfully file your taxes. Always remember to keep accurate records of your earnings and withholdings to help in such situations. We hope this video guide has been helpful. Here's to a smoother tax season.